Yo, what's up guys? I'm Amy Correa Bell and I'm gonna share with you guys what I do first thing in the morning with my vitamins, with my shake. Currently, I'm intermittent fasting from 2 to 10 p.m. because being stuck at home with nothing to do but eat and spend time with family, I've been eating quite a bit. So first thing I'm gonna do is a B12. I got this from Rite Aid. I just put it right under my tongue and it'll give me like a mood boost for the day. B12, let's go. So I'm gonna make a shake from the Beauty Chef. This is Inner Beauty Powder, and I use it because it's got all my vitamins, my probiotics, and protein, and it's vegan. I'm not a vegan, but I try to, incorporate that when I can. But I mean, honestly, if you can zoom in on this stuff, look at all those goodies in there. Like we even got matcha powder, greens blend, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass, mushroom powder, probiotic blend. I mean, geez, the list goes on and on. So, first thing we're gonna do is put some ice in a blender. And the next thing, I got some wild blueberries, which means they're organic, so they're wild cut. I like these because they're already frozen, so your drink will be nice and slushy. We're also gonna add a banana and Planet Oat Milk. You can use any brand of oat milk. So yeah. One banana is all you need. Get that baby in there. So I'm gonna use all of the bag, but because I'm cooking for 3 of us, making a shake for everybody right now. So we're gonna do 1 scoop of the Inner Beauty Powder, which is a matcha, chocolate flavored protein powder that also has matcha in it. So 1 scoop. And then this is a cleanse Inner Beauty Powder. It's got super greens and more vitamins in there. I love veggies, but not that much. So this is just in case I don't get it all in there. 1 scoop of that. This is super easy, guys. Last but not least, get that oat milk in there. I just like to get it to where it's kind of like to the top of everything, a little bit more. Okay, before we blend it up, I just want to share with you guys a couple other things I take. So I've been taking black seed oil pills. You can get these off Amazon. I take 2 in the morning and 2 at night. I've been taking 2 vitamin C's a day. You can get these at Rite Aid. This is a vitamin D, 2,000 IUs. You're supposed to have about 5,000 IUs of vitamin D a day. And a lot of people don't go in the sun because they're stuck at home. So please, this is so great against any kind of infection or virus or anything like this. If you have a cold or anything, vitamin D. Vitamin K helps you absorb the vitamin D better, so always add that in there. And fish oil, I take 2 of these because it's good for your brain, your skin, your eyes, and your heart, and your joints. So as I make my shake, I'm gonna take all of these. All right, boom. I made enough for about 3 people. It's like a morning. So after I have this shake, guys, I'm also gonna make breakfast. So this is just so I can make sure I get my vitamins in for the day. But I'm also gonna have a huge breakfast. Since I'm not eating till 2, I can kind of go off, Oh my gosh, this is so good. Boom shakalaka. So, oh my gosh, I want to film Josh because I want him to try it. And you tell me, Josh, how is this?
Holy cow.
That's good, right?
This is amazing. I wasn't expecting that. It's really good.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. I appreciate you, and I hope that you're incorporating vitamins, healthy probiotics, vitamins, probiotics, protein, and veggies into your diet because it's super important right now. Love you guys.